Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. As you can see from the title, today I will show you how to watch YouTube Live. So, YouTube, the sharing site, is used by the world who offers its visitors a live broadcast service in addition to video upload service. And any product promotion, concert, newsworthy event, etc., you can broadcast and watch on topics on YouTube. So, why would we want to watch live videos, right? It's because maybe we don't have a television at home, could be a reason. You might be thinking like why you should care about live streaming in 2020, almost 2021. Like the world of marketing is always evolving, leaving marketers constantly on their toes when it comes to new ways of reaching customers or spreading brand awareness or anything. So, and video content has been gaining traction in content marketing, or like this is just one way to look at it. But when we talk to the entrepreneurs or marketers about live streaming, they sometimes brush it off. They'll be saying things like, "Oh, that's only for video games. People don't want to see us live stream." This was the words that I heard like in 2018, 19. And while yes, it is true that video games make up a huge portion of live streaming, but it doesn't mean that it is only for video game players. Like, for example, think about Instagram, think about any social media that can come to your mind, okay? YouTube. Marketing companies find massive success on all of them. Like, for example, in Instagram, right? Despite not being travel photographers with photos like those that appear in National Geographic, but they amass huge followings despite not being hair and makeup channels just because the platform is very popular. For one thing does not mean it can't work just as well for another. For example, I'm pretty sure that you've seen a lot of things. I'm just giving examples. In Instagram, just there is this woman or there's this man who they are just traveling the world, but even though they have started marketing or sponsorship, all of them they are doing live streams, and YouTube also has this. You might think like all the live streams doesn't have that option, like you wouldn't see it, but this could be just one reason. So these kind of methods are like live streaming is usually a big mistake. This is what they are thinking. But especially when the industry is really taking off, is it like should you really be thinking that way? Like, but it is the prime time for live streaming, and if you miss this spot, you could be missing out on huge traffic numbers and the ability to create a viral buzz. This is for like um, just you know you as a person who are watching them, who want to watch them. That's why you came here in the first place, right? Like you should also know about these things because one day who knows that you might want to start your live streaming. So we should not fall behind the curve and we should not get stuck in the old ways of doing business or watching things or learning things because we have this option right here. So what we're gonna do is this. So let's assume that we don't have something in our mind. So what we do, we're clicking right here, this hamburger menu. And from here, should I say show more? No. You go down, 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 down. And it's saying there's this part saying more from YouTube. What I'm doing is I'm going to click live. You remember the things that I just told you, right? You see, these are channels that are very like very important, or uh, they have their lives. Normally, if you would open your TV, you would be watching them, but also they are live streaming in YouTube too, because this is a huge platform. And all you got to do to watch this live video is clicking on it. Yes, that's all you have to do. You're gonna click on it and then you're gonna be able to watch. For example, maybe you want to watch like the ones that, how can I say, the ones that are not live anymore, but don't worry, even if you missed it, they are still there. So for example, these 4 video that we can see here, or these ones, you see, these were live too, but don't feel like you missed out on anything, because you can just click on them to watch them. And we also have this option of upcoming live streams, which you can just see right here. We have like all of them, a lot of them. And what you can do, for example, I'd like to math masterclass. No, not for me. Okay, we know what we're gonna do. We're gonna click set reminder, and we will be notified when it goes live. Isn't that amazing? Like, and we also have categories like sports, gaming. Yes, this might look a bit like limited, but actually no. If you have people that, just for example, most of the time what I do is I click this. You see, you want to be studying. You don't even, I didn't even have to go there or look for him there. As you can see, his radio is always playing. This channel wikiHow is like, they always have live streaming, so it's also good. And the other good thing about live streaming is this, if you don't know, let's go, it's this, we have this chat room. Yes, that's very nice, right? Like, you might guys thinking that it is good when it comes to gaming, but no, everywhere it's useful. People are just, for example, that happened to me a lot. That's how I know it. I am coming to this live stream just to focus on my studying. Like I just want to be doing my homework, and then I got distracted by the chat room, because it is so fun sometimes. You just have to taste it. And live stream is not only about watching the live stream is also about the chat room. So I hope I was able to help you guys with this video. Now you know. And by the way, if you have the URL for the live video, also that helps. You can just copy it and go there. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this video, or about YouTube, about Twitter, Instagram, like, I don't know, anything that comes to your mind, that very common used platforms, you can ask me on the comments. I will come down there to answer all of your questions. And if you have any suggestions for my videos, for my content, you can also let me know in the comments, so I can be like, okay, yes, that makes sense. I should be doing a content like this. I should be doing something like this. I'll read them. Make like, I really care about your feedback, and I am into your feedback. I am waiting for your feedback. So if you like this video, and if you found it helpful, and what I actually mean by saying if you found it helpful is this: did you know how to do it before you come here? No. Did you know these things? No. Or maybe you were, forgetting some steps. So what you're gonna do, that means that I've helped you out, which that makes me so happy. Now you should go and like that, hit that like button. Yeah, the one that thumbs up, not this one, this one. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, but I know you did, but in case you didn't, maybe you forgot or something happened, you thought you were subscribed, but turns out you're not. So you should hit that button too, because all of these things, liking this video and subscribing to my channel, is way easier than watching a live video and being in that chat room, because all of them takes one click. So see you guys in my next video.